Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi is courting controversy with his statement that those desperate to eat beef should go live in Pakistan. The Union Minister made that comment during a discussion with MIM's Asauddin Owaisi on the state of minorities under the Modi government. Now, all this happened at Aaj Tak's Manthan on Thursday. Naqvi was responding to consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai when asked what his government was doing to assure minorities that the government was concerned about their welfare. Naqvi's comments come after a blanket beef ban has been imposed in BJP-ruled states of Haryana and Maharashtra. The BJP's move to ban beef from two states has drawn criticism and protest. Naqvi's comments at the Aaj Tak conclave are only set to embarrass the government, which already is on the back foot on the minority issues.
आपको लगता है कि आप बीफ के मीट के खाए बिना जिंदा नहीं रह सकते तो इस देश में नहीं मिलेगा। आप पाकिस्तान में जाइए, सीधी सी बात, ये मैं साफ कह रहा हूं, अभी भी कह रहा हूं।
अच्छा, अब आप असदुद्दीन, एक मिनट भाई साहब, असदुद्दीन ओवैसी जी, आप इसका जवाब दीजिए।
नकवी साहब, गोवा में क्या बिक रहा है? गोवा के चीफ मिनिस्टर को पाकिस्तान भेजेंगे आप? भेजेंगे आप? नकवी साहब, तजाद है,
नहीं बिक रहा है।
अरे गोवा में मिलता है
यहाँ पे।
अरे नकवी साहब, एक मिनट,
यहाँ पर
गोवा में मिलता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मिलता है,
लोगों की मांग है।
सुनिए, गोवा में आपकी गवर्नमेंट है,
नहीं तो आप क्या नॉर्थिफाई करना चाहते हैं कि सब जगह
सुनिए
आम हो? हम
नहीं, सुनिए, 5 मिनट में आपका असली चेहरा आवाम के सामने आ गया
जी।
ये अच्छे दिन है कि आप हमको पाकिस्तान से जोड़ते, जबकि हमने जिना की टू नेशन थ्योरी को लात मार दिया उसको।
अरे भाई,
और क्या कहा था हमने? सुनिए,
आप गाय का मीट खा करके इस देश के राष्ट्रवादी बनेंगे क्या? ये मुझे
सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी, अरे सुनिए ना,
मुसलमान भी उसके खिलाफ है, राजदीप मुसलमान भी उसके खिलाफ है।
एक मिनट।
All right, so it's a big story that we are tracking right here on Headlines today. We'll get you political reactions. Let's quickly play out that reaction again. What exactly happened at the Aaj Tak Manthan yesterday? What was the question that was asked? What was the answer that was given? And what was the rebuttal that actually came from Asauddin Owaisi? Let's quickly play out that clip once again for our viewers.
आपको लगता है कि आप बीफ के मीट के खाए बिना जिंदा नहीं रह सकते तो इस देश में नहीं मिलेगा। आप पाकिस्तान में जाइए, सीधी सी बात, ये मैं साफ कह रहा हूं, अभी भी कह रहा हूं।
अच्छा, अब आप असदुद्दीन, एक मिनट भाई साहब, असदुद्दीन ओवैसी जी, आप इसका जवाब दीजिए।
नकवी साहब, गोवा में क्या बिक रहा है? गोवा के चीफ मिनिस्टर को पाकिस्तान भेजेंगे आप? भेजेंगे आप? नकवी साहब, तजाद है,
नहीं बिक रहा है।
अरे गोवा में मिलता है,
यहाँ पे।
अरे नकवी साहब, एक मिनट,
यहाँ पर
गोवा में मिलता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मिलता है,
लोगों की मांग है।
सुनिए, गोवा में आपकी गवर्नमेंट है,
नहीं तो आप क्या नॉर्थिफाई करना चाहते हैं कि सब जगह
सुनिए
आम हो? हम
नहीं, सुनिए, 5 मिनट में आपका असली चेहरा आवाम के सामने आ गया जी। ये अच्छे दिन है कि आप हमको पाकिस्तान से जोड़ते, जबकि हमने जिना की टू नेशन थ्योरी को लात मार दिया उसको।
अरे भाई,
और क्या कहा था हमने? सुनिए,
आप गाय का मीट खा करके इस देश के राष्ट्रवादी बनेंगे क्या? ये मुझे
सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी, अरे सुनिए ना,
मुसलमान भी उसके खिलाफ है,
राजदीप
मुसलमान भी उसके खिलाफ है।
एक मिनट।
All right, we'll get you more political reactions on this particular story. Let's quickly cut across live for a perspective from Manogya. Manogya, I believe there are some reactions coming in from the northeast because there were references made during this program, Manthan Aaj Tak, that people in the northeast eat beef, people in Goa eat beef. Are you going to ban them or throw them out or send them to Pakistan? These statements have obviously embarrassed the Bharatiya Janata Party, the statements by Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Just take us through what really has been the response in, the eastern part of the country.
Sanket, putting the things in perspective, I'll put it this way, that if there are elections to be held next month in Assam and with AIUDF gaining grounds, it would be extremely difficult for BJP to clarify on why one of the senior leaders made such a comment. And besides that, we have spoken to several leaders in BJP in Assam as well as Assam Gan Parishad. Assam Gan Parishad says that they are extremely disappointed with what type of comment has been made by a senior leader. And in fact, BJP has chosen to keep mum on the issue. They feel that by going ahead or commenting on this comment, it will be making life difficult for them there in Assam. But besides that, the other states where non-veg food is a staple food is considered to be a staple food in Mizoram, Nagaland and parts of Tripura also, it would be extremely difficult if the central government goes ahead with a high-handedness and tries to ban beef there. But besides that, there something that involves the freedom of what to eat, which has been granted by the constitution. It is absolutely something that is not being welcomed as far as Northeast is concerned. A comment where even BJP leaders are trying to evade the cameras and avoid any kind of reactions on this. So perhaps I would say that it's not just an embarrassing moment for BJP in Northeast, but also the fact that it has given a talking point to the opposition in these states.